Welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Well, it's the end of October already, and we know what that means. The wigs I wore in October. Every month I do a short video just showing you some of the wigs that I wore in the previous month. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you find lots of content here that's helpful for you. Please leave me lots of comments. Now, again, if you're new, this is not a wig review. I've reviewed the majority, but there are some brand new styles that I have gotten in October that I'm going to show you that I have not reviewed yet, but stay tuned, they will be. If you see a wig that you want to know more information about, where you want to see the full review, just type the name of the wig in the search bar of my channel, and if I have reviewed it, it will pop up there for you. All of the wigs I'm going to show you today are from Wig Studio One, and I either purchased them or they were sent to me for a previous review. All right, let's get started and look at some of the wigs I wore in October. Okay, let's start it out. Jon Renau Ignite in Toffee Truffle. Now, Ignite to me is a perfect wig for all year round. In the summer, it's great because it's short. In the winter, it's great because it's short. It doesn't rub on your clothes. Now, these are heat-friendly fibers, as you know, so if they do the ends begin to be a little frayed, just apply a little heat there and smooth them out. And I love this color, Toffee Truffle. You know, Ignite's been around a long time for a reason. It is just a beautiful style, very wearable, nice length on this wig. It comes down under the chin, which is a wearable shape for most face shapes. I just think you can't go wrong with Jon Renau Ignite. This is Wille Girl Mono, and this color is Stone Gray Rooted. Oh my goodness. I have repurchased this wig, I don't know how many times, in how many different colors. I love it, and yes, I know you're going to tell me, you say you love all these wigs. I absolutely love all these wigs. And you can too. There's nothing wrong with loving a lot of different wigs. Nothing at all wrong with it. So yes, I love this wig. I think the curls are fun. I think it's wearable. I think this color is dynamite. I really like this color. I like rooted wigs. I know many people do not. I respect your opinion about that. I, however, do enjoy them. That is why I keep repurchasing them. You just can't go wrong with Wille Girl Mono. This is Noriko Dolce in Raspberry Ice R. I like this color. I think it's great for the fall and winter if you're looking for something a little darker. Now, this wig is full of permatease. If you don't like permatease, this is absolutely not your wig because this is full of permatease. I, however, enjoy permatease, so it's fine with me. Now, there's some beautiful highlighting in here. This color is a wow color, Raspberry Ice R. Another really popular style for Noriko. This is Belle Tress, Emiro, and TressAllure Blonde. Now, this is one I tend to forget about. Do you have wigs in your wig closet that you wear a lot and then you put them away and you kind of forget about them? This month, I pulled this one out and started wearing it again, and I'm glad I did. I really like this wig. I think these waves are beautiful. This color, TressAllure Blonde, has been very popular, but I think it's so pretty with something dark like this, a dark turtleneck. It's just a striking color, a beautiful length. You just can't beat it. Has a lot of movement here. It's low density. The waves are beautiful. This would be pretty in a half up and half down. Just a lot you could do with this wig. This is Henry Margu Brooklyn. The color is 82733H, and this is the petite style. So this fits me really well. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and Henry Margu, the normal size caps fit me a little big. This fits perfectly. Did not have to make any adjustments. But look at Brooklyn. Isn't this a nice, just straight, super low density style? And this color, 82733H. So you get a look at that. Nice, nice color. I just like this style. I think it's perfect for the fall. I've had Brooklyn in some blonde colors as well. I just think it's very wearable. The fibers, Henry Margu fibers, are always so beautiful. I have reviewed this wig and shown this wig over on my Instagram account. I can't get enough of this wig. I'm sure this is going to make my top 10. This color and this style. This is Belle Tress Chloe Pumpkin Pie Spice R. What a gorgeous red shade. And look at this beautiful wig. Just has a nice bang here. Now you could cut a full bang into this if you wanted to, but I like this long sweeping bang. I think it's perfect on this wig. And this color, I love my reds. If you're looking for a longer style like this, I don't think you can go wrong with Chloe. Like I said, new, just came out. They hit a home run with it. Okay, yes, before we go any further, I know this wig is way too long for me. I would never wear this wig down, but I want to show you this wig because I want to tell you it's kind of fun to keep some longer styles in your wig wardrobe. This is new. This is TressAllure Bliss, and the color is Satin Blonde Rooted. Now, I reviewed this wig on the Wig Studio 1 YouTube channel. If you want to see it, you can see it there. I did lots of styling on this wig over there and did a full review on it. But I have worn this several times this month in a ponytail out like this, and I've enjoyed it very much. I just think it's fun to consider having some longer styles in your wardrobe for styling. Like I said, I just threw this up in a ponytail because I think it works like that. It's great in a half up and half down. There's so much you can do with this wig. It's long, parts down the middle, satin blonde rooted, has a lot of sand and gold working through here. Now keep in mind, the studio lights really wash out the blonde shades. But in the video, on the Wig Studio 1 channel, I will show it to you in different types of lighting. But this wig is beautiful. If you are looking for something long, something you want to keep in your wardrobe that you can use to style, you can use to wear ponytails, it's great with something like what I have on here. Just consider a few of these. This is TressAllure Bliss. This is not a new style, but it is a new color. This is Aesthetica Design's Jameson. We've seen Jameson for a long time now. I've showed it to you in so many colors, but this is their new color, Mandarin Rooted, and oh my goodness, is it ever a beautiful Irish red. They did a great job. They came out with some new shades, 3 new red shades, and I think this one is so pretty. As you know, I have fallen in love with the reds. I am always on the lookout for a new red, and when they came out with this one, I just had to try it. Now I'm going to try the others, and I'll keep you updated on those. Thanks for stopping by my channel today and spending a few minutes with me while I showed you some of the wigs I wore in October. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you will, and leave me lots of comments. Do you like these kind of videos? Do you like this content that shows you a lot of wigs in a short amount of time? I enjoy making it, and I hope you enjoy it as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.